Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It was a struggle to head to war this morning. Yes, let's just say your girl is tired. I'm tired, so I went back to bed for 30 minutes. I am now up and is ready for war. Okay, though my body is saying no war today, my mind is saying giving up is not an option. So I'm heading to war. Yes, time to work out. That's what I mean when I say I'm heading to war. It's time to work out. So I'm going to get going and let you guys go and have a good day and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, touch button, keep up with the fam bam. I'm here with my little warrior child. There she is, watching her program and swinging. And I think she might fall asleep. You guys will see Tyler and baby in a bit. But first, let's get workout done. Have a good day. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Have a good day. It doesn't really matter what is it that you're doing today. I know most of us is inside. Make the best of being inside. Stay productive. Don't let your mind fall in a place where you don't want to go. Stay busy. If it means that you have to work out like me to stay sane, this is what keeps me like this every day. I have to work out every day. I give myself Saturday and Sunday most weekends. Sometimes I only give myself Sunday. But for me to have a productive day, for me to have just a calm day, I have to work out. Find something that is your niche. Find something that sticks with you. If it means that laying in bed is what makes you calm, do it. But don't let all that is happening in the world throw you in depression or throw you in sadness. Well, we can't help to be sad most of what is going on, but don't let it get the best of you. Do not stay home and mope and feel sorry for yourself. Do something to snap out of whatever feeling you have. You can do it. Make a promise to me that you're gonna do it, and I'll do the same. Have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and I'll catch you guys during workout. Morning snack, because my breakfast was my green juice, which I already killed before workout, and now I am gonna have morning snack and then jump into lunch. So for breakfast this morning, I'm having half of an avocado and 2 eggs.
Mama, what are you think you're going to eat for snack?
Me?
Yes.
Egg and avocado.
Only I get avocado. I want some egg.
You want some of the egg?
Yeah.
You want me to fry one for you?
Yes, sir. I want the flat one that has the cheese in the middle.
You want the flat one with the cheese in the middle?
Yes.
Alright. I'll do that for you, baby. You sure you want the one with the cheese in the middle?
Yes.
Okay. Well, my boy have spoken. He wants the flacon with the cheese in the middle.
I don't like it, but I'm still going to eat all of it.
You don't like it, but you're still gonna eat all of it.
Yes.
And I'll make sure of it.
Okay.
So I won't put too much cheese because I know you don't like when it's mushy.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
You hear this boy though? He doesn't like it, but he's still gonna eat it. Alright. That's the spirit then. That's the spirit. All my Jamaicans are staying safe, you guys. When I see the news what's happening in Jamaica, I'm like, most of what I see on social media is that, man, most people, especially in the Portmore area, is just panicking and forgetting about social distancing, and that's what's going to make the situation worse. And if my little island think that they can manage anything, even a fraction of what we are having here in Europe or what USA have, y'all have a next guest coming, man. Stay home. I know everybody have to get food, but some order have to put in place, and we as a people have to obey the orders and have to understand that you'll get the food, but practice social distancing while doing so, because if Jamaican numbers start skyrocketing, trust me, all our hearts will start breaking pieces. And you know when people going to start listen? When it start get worse. Alright you guys, it's time to prep lunch for the fam. And I'm making a tuna salad for Dave and I. Tyler gonna have noodle soup, his favorite these days. And of course Sarah gonna have her
carrot.
And voila, we have lunch. Looks good, doesn't it?
Hi guys, good afternoon and good night. We need some water. We need some water, so somebody have to go out and get some water. So I'll be the one to go out with my pige to get some water. Yeah, just going.
Not going far, just up the street.
Just up the streets, go and come back with a lot of water. Yeah, I hope you all doing well. It's Friday, it's almost the weekend. Anyway guys, I hope you all doing well and stay safe and stay motivated.
He got back from his little grocery hunt. He just went to pick up some water and milk most of all, because Tyler only had one bottle of milk remaining and we have one more week to go before we go big supermarket shopping. So he got milk for Tyler. I'm just showing you a few things that he got. And of course, knowing babe, he's gonna pick up extras. He got chips for Tyler, which he shouldn't have, but that's okay. Can't be too much. He got this breakfast thing that Tyler loves. Tyler will eat this for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's just a bread with chocolate in the middle. He got 2 cups of that. He got Nesquik. Don't know why, but I guess he knows best because he's the one that really makes breakfast for Tyler. This is the other bag that he got. Babe got cocoa. We rarely buy cocoa. And he got juice, and of course he got like 6 cases of water, which I won't show you because water is water, y'all. That's just all the things that he got. So yeah, I'm gonna sanitize these things and pack them away real quick. Tyler's in his room talking to his best friend on FaceTime and WhatsApp, because this morning he was sitting and having lunch and he said, I look at him and he looked really sad. I hear him go, So I said, Tyler, what's wrong? He said, Mama, I'm sad. I said, why are you sad? He got emotional. He said, I miss my friends. I said, oh my gosh. He said he want to talk to his friends. So I had to explain to him why he can't see his friends. And I asked Babe to try and call his best friend mom, and he finally got him. So he's so excited. He's in his room. In his room right now, chatting away, and he's in his element. So I'll just show you guys him a sneak peek real quick.
D'ailleurs, est-ce que t'as des livres? Des livres, oui. J'en ai plein ici. T'as quoi comme livre? Je vais te montrer un.
How was he talking to your friend? Look how happy he is. You had fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at him. You can't wait to call him again?
No, just that I can't wait for him to come at my house.
But not now. You have to wait till all this finish.
Yes.
Okay. He's so excited. Anyway, you guys, my little diva is here. Did you say hello to the faves today? Did you say morning to the faves? Say good day, faves.
Good morning.
He's not morning now, it's afternoon though. My little pumpkin is up and watching TV. We're just here chilling. It's Friday and we don't really have anything much to do around the house. So we're just chilling and freelancing. Whatever happens today happens, honey. Say hello, Sarah. My big woman. My big woman. I am about to make some mid-afternoon snack for the fam. And this is it. In here I have almond milk, strawberries, frozen strawberry, frozen mango, and a banana. And to this, I would normally add spinach to give it a good healthy kick. Though everything in here is already healthy, it's just fruits, but to add veggies to it, you can add spinach. So there you go with healthy afternoon snack idea. You can either have this for afternoon snack, breakfast, or mid-morning snack. So I'm gonna blend this up and the family shall have some smoothie real quick. There you go, guys. And this will do until it's dinner time. So good, so refreshing, and I don't have to add any ice to it. I don't have to put it down for it to chill because the mango and the strawberry is already frozen. So thank me later. Try it and tell me how you like it. And this is for Tyler. You want a straw, Tyler?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. And then I'm gonna deliver the husband's own to the office with a nice straw to match. He'll be happy. These two little riders. I need a picture of both of you right here. You guys, I did not cook dinner today. It's all leftovers, but to give you guys an idea of what I'm eating, that's dinner.
Peekaboo. 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 Now I
She's dying. Yeah. Sarah, take time. Sarah. Sarah, take time.
What's wrong? Hello? You lost something in your head? You lost your brain? No? You want me to help you to find it? No, are you sure?
Me just ask you how much you have and you tell me no.
Yeah, but somebody give me back the term.
Yeah, trickster.
I'm never done.
You're a thief.
Oh, tired.
Yes.
I think that win.
How many games Mama won since Domino's?
No, zero. Because you're a little loser. That's why you don't read properly the game.
What did I not do?
Read properly the game.
I don't read the game properly.
Yes,
So that's why I lose.
Yes,
How many games Mama with Domino's she won?
I don't know.
0.
Yes, zero.
How many you won?
4.
Yeah, 1 domino and 2 Uno, I think. Hey guys, babe, she's the most
Loser.
yes, that's not the word I wanted to use, but she's the main, she's the coward, she's the loser.
Yes, because you win.
You're too
I
loud.
play dominoes with her.
And
I
if me
kick
going
her
get 6, me
5-0.
give up.
She give up at 5.
Me not take no 6.
She rather stop the game.
No,
She give
me
up.
not take no 6. You mad? Right now, me know me get 6 because Tyler win about 10 games already.
Hey
Come
guys. Loser.
I say come closer, you calling me a loser?
No, it's just the word coming to my mind.
It's
Just,
alright.
loser.
Let us stop playing game with him and Tyler.
That's
Let
not
us stop because
fun.
me can't win.
That-
You
no,
two the team up on me.
I like to play with you.
Yeah,
You
but
didn't win the last one? No, I win the last one. Sorry.
you're disgusting.
Sorry. You didn't even win one.
No, I don't
No,
win.
don't-
And
no,
how much
no,
Uno we
Uno.
played?
How much Uno? Like 7, 8,
I know how much of Uno we played.
like 5.
And I didn't win one. Yeah, Tyler win all of them. You team up on me. Thief.
Maybe we need to wait on
Thief.
Sarah to play.
Exactly.
Then she will have less chance to win.
No, but me and Sarah going team up.
You're gonna team up with Sarah? Okay.
Boys against girl, we have a perfect team.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. We didn't do much today. Today was pretty much lounging around. Really, look at my hair. I just pull out the hairpin. What's the French expression for today? Since you're excited to give it.
French expression is rude.
Is rude?
I won't say is rude. Is yeah, it's not something that you say to kids. You know how to say ass in French?
Fess.
Yeah, the other word.
No.
Cul.
Cul.
Yeah, cul is, I won't say like a wood version of ass, of fess.
Okay.
Okay, so when you say avoir du cul, mean
I have
you're
ass.
lucky. Yes, you're lucky.
Avoir du cul.
Yeah, tu as du cul, mean you're lucky.
Oh.
The Jamaican expression.
I thought I could give the expression off of that, but
Abati, yeah, abati, yeah, abati.
no, because the translation for yours is mean you're lucky. What would that translate in Jamaican patois? You're lucky.
Yeah, lucky. Stop thinking too deep.
I'm not gonna think about it because I can't think of the tip of my head right now.
I like to see you
So
thinking. You just open your nose. Your nose hole become big. Like you make hair coming inside. Let me oxygen my brain.
Well, since he's talking about nose, if a Jamaican tell you that you have a donkey nose, it means that your nose will open up big like this. All the better to smell.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the Jamaican expression for today, donkey nose.
A donkey nose. Are you a donkey nose?
All the better to smell, honey. Me proud of me.
Yeah,
Me nose
proud of
hole.
your donkey nose.
Look by your nose. What your nose hole in that little? Why are we talking about each other's nose? Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Tell me in the comment section when you have a big nose hole, what somebody tell you that it is in your country or wherever you are. When you have a big nose hole, hope not big. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.